Hey guys, today we're doing some molten chocolate cake. It's my dad's recipe. So we have some icing sugar, some flour. We're gonna need some butter, some baker's black chocolate, dark chocolate, some eggs, some egg yolks, and some eggs. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go put this in the microwave for 45 seconds. So now let's mix it up. So now I am gonna put the eggs in. Okay. I'm gonna mix it with one. Now I'm gonna add the sugar, the icing sugar. Ah, very heavy. Again. Okay. So now I mixed the chocolates already, and now we're gonna fill the cups with the chocolate. Let's get started. Like this. Oh, that's better. I'm not gonna do it all the way up. So I filled it that much, half of the cup. So you're gonna put it in the oven for 50 degrees and 9 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below if you want to watch more recipes. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.